Rector Cares Foundation is an NGO that provides clean and safe water to rural areas in Nigeria and has done quite a number of water projects in different parts of the country. Our goal is to expand our frontiers and create meaningful partnerships to make this project bigger, better, and innovative. That's why Rector Cares Foundation, in partnership with POUL DUE JENSEN FOUNDATION, installed the GRUNDFOS AQ TAP in the last water project at OCHICHA COMMUNITY, IMO State, Nigeria. GRUNDFOS AQ TAP is an intelligent water dispenser with integrated revenue collection platform for viable and accountable water supply. The indigenous people of OCHICHA community were trained on how to use this life-changing GRUNDFOS technology. Before now, the inhabitants fetch water from the OCHICHA River, which is very far from their homes and place of work. Right now, more than 17,000 people in this community are grateful to GRUNDFOS and POUL DUE JENSEN Foundation for making life easy and sustainable for them. The healthcare practitioners are not left out too, as everyone in the community make use of the GRUNDFOS AQ TAP. Thanks to POUL DUE JENSEN Foundation and GRUNDFOS for this applaudable initiative.
I want to appreciate you for the good gesture you have done by sinking a borehole, a potable water that is sorely needed by this community. We appreciate you on behalf of our health department. We appreciate you.
Honestly, we are we are happy today. We want to appreciate POUL DUE JENSEN and Rector Cares Foundation for these wonderful projects they brought to this community. It's very, very nice. It's first of its kind anyway. We've not had this before in this very sector. So we want to appreciate you.
Thanks to POUL DUE JENSEN Foundation and GRUNDFOS for believing in Rector Cares Foundation for clean water, partnership, and good health and well-being. We are grateful.